Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Morning Star grounded using an easy method. This process is designed to significantly enhance your weapon's core attributes, making it a much more formidable tool in your arsenal. By grounding it, you'll add a layer of stability and a unique effect, transforming its combat potential. This simple technique will boost your damage output and give you a clear tactical edge. Before we begin the grounding process, gathering the right materials is crucial. First, ensure you have a sturdy Morning Star, ideally one that is well maintained. Next, you'll need 1 unit of elemental dust, which can be found in ancient ruins, and 3 units of refined iron ore, often available from skilled smiths. Finally, locate a stable enchanting altar or a dedicated crafting station. These are essential for the ritual. Now, let's perform the grounding ritual. Begin by placing your Morning Star firmly onto the center of your chosen enchanting altar. Next, carefully sprinkle the elemental dust evenly over the weapon's head, ensuring full coverage. Then, melt your 3 units of refined iron ore and slowly pour it onto the weapon's handle, allowing it to fuse. Conclude by chanting the grounding incantation for about 30 seconds to seal the enchantment. Congratulations! Your Morning Star is now successfully grounded. It boasts enhanced stability, reducing recoil by a significant 25%, making your strikes more precise. Furthermore, it now carries a powerful earth elemental effect, dealing an additional 10 points of damage with every hit. This makes your weapon exceptionally effective against flying enemies and constructs. Go forth and enjoy the substantial combat advantages of your newly empowered Morning Star.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.